Are you ready to start making money online but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Many beginners find the idea of affiliate marketing both exciting and overwhelming. There's a lot to learn. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll break down everything you need to know to get started and earn your first commission. Everything I'm about to say has come from first-hand experience. Also, I'm not here to sell you a course or coaching, and I don't want to waste your time. So, let's get into this 100% free training right away. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting products or services from other companies. When someone buys a product through your special link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but you get to work from anywhere and choose what you want to promote. Here's a simple breakdown of how affiliate marketing works. First, you find a company with products you like and join their affiliate program. Once you're accepted, you'll get a special link to promote their products. Sometimes the affiliate program will have certain requirements, like you need to already have a website with a certain amount of traffic. There are beginner-friendly affiliate programs that have no requirements. Check out the link in the description for a link to a list of them. Once you've signed up with an affiliate program, you share your affiliate link through your website, blog, social media, or email. You can write reviews and create tutorials. Your job is to generate informational content that's valuable and SEO friendly to attract potential buyers and earn their trust. And finally, when someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. The company tracks these sales using cookies and pays you accordingly. The beauty of affiliate marketing is you don't need to worry about creating products, handling customer service, or shipping. Your job is tough though. You must work hard or pay for ads to attract people to your link and get them to buy. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and how it works, let's move on to a very important step. Picking your niche. A niche is a specific topic or area that you'll focus on. Picking the right niche is crucial because it helps you attract the right audience and makes it easier to find products to promote. Here are some tips for finding a profitable niche. Choose something you love. If you're passionate about a topic, creating content will be more enjoyable and authentic. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Use keyword search tools like Ahrefs to analyze further. High search volume means there's interest. Check out other affiliate marketers in the niche. If there's a lot of competition, it means the niche is profitable, but you'll need to find a unique angle. Some profitable niches are beauty and fashion, business and finance, health and fitness. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that match. High-ticket programs offer bigger commissions per sale, but are usually harder to sell. Low-ticket programs offer smaller commissions, but may sell more easily and frequently. Many companies have affiliate programs. Visit their website and look for a link that says affiliate program or partners. Make note of the ones you'd like to apply to once your site has enough traffic to meet the minimum criteria. Every affiliate program is different, so do your research. To get started now, some recommended affiliate networks are Amazon Associates is great for beginners because you can promote millions of products. Share a sale, which offers a variety of products and is easy to use. CJ Affiliate provides access to many well-known brands. Now that you know how to choose your niche and find affiliate programs, you're ready to build your website. Having your own website or blog gives you control over your content and helps you build trust with your audience. Let me quickly go over what you'll need to do to set up your site. First, pick a domain name that reflects your niche. It should be easy to remember and type. Next, set up hosting. You need a hosting service that can handle WordPress. Popular options include Bluehost, WPX, and SiteGround. I've put links in the description below for you to check out. WordPress is a user-friendly platform for creating websites, and most hosting services offer one-click WordPress installation. After WordPress is installed, it's time to design your site. Choose a simple, clean theme focused on making your site easy to navigate and fast to load. Don't forget to install some essential plugins like Yoast SEO for search engine optimization and pretty links to manage your affiliate links. I'll include a link to a list of essential plugins in the description below. And remember, I'll show you step by step how to create an affiliate site from scratch in a future video. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your affiliate links and driving traffic to your website. Here are some tips. Focus on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Popular options include Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share useful and interesting content related to your niche. This can include tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Remember, people love visuals. Use high-quality images and videos to grab attention. Make sure to respond to comments and messages to build a community around your niche. Also, share links to your blog posts on social media to drive traffic to your site. With a website or blog and a social media presence, the next thing you need is high-quality content posted on a regular basis. The right content attracts readers and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Blog posts are a great way to share informative articles related to your niche. Product reviews can be effective if you're sharing your honest opinion about products, highlighting the benefits and features. Although it's worth noting that the recently leaked Google algorithm documentation did mention that product review pages will be taking a hit in ranking on Google search. Tutorials with step-by-step guides on how to use products help readers see the value in the products you're promoting. Also, comparison guides that contrast different products in your niche help readers make informed decisions. Initially, focus on creating informational content. Now we move on to SEO Best Practices. To get your content noticed, you need to optimize it for search engines. Using relevant keywords related to your niche throughout your content is crucial, but they should sound natural within your writing. Writing compelling titles that grab attention and include your main keyword can significantly improve visibility. ChatGPT can help generate titles for you. Also, optimizing meta descriptions with clear and enticing summaries that have your keyword will also improve your click-through rate. Structuring your content with clear headings and subheadings makes it easier to read and helps with SEO. Including internal and external links to other relevant articles on your site and authoritative sources improves your site's credibility and SEO. We'll talk more about SEO a little bit later in the video. In addition to creating compelling content, it's important to put in affiliate links naturally, placing them where they make sense and add value. You don't want to stuff your content with too many links. It's helpful to create a content calendar to organize your blog post schedule. This is something ChatGPT can help you create as well. Just search for the prompts in Google. Now let's talk about how to drive traffic to your affiliate links. The more visitors you have, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a powerful way to get your content noticed by search engines like Google. Start with on-page SEO by optimizing your content with relevant keywords. These keywords should be naturally included in your titles, headings, and throughout the body of your text. Using clear and descriptive meta tags and ensuring your content is well organized with headings and subheadings also helps. Off-page SEO involves building backlinks to your content. Backlinks are links from other websites to your site, and they help improve your search engine ranking. Reach out to other bloggers and websites in your niche and offer to write guest posts or collaborate on content. Sharing your articles on social media and engaging in online communities can also generate backlinks. You can buy backlinks, but it's against Google's policy and you can get penalized for it. Paid advertising is another effective way to drive traffic quickly. Pay-per-click or PPC ads on platforms like Google Ads can bring targeted visitors to your site. Start with a small budget and test different ads to see what works best. Social media ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can also be highly effective. These platforms allow you to target specific audiences based on their interests, demographics, and behavior, ensuring your ads reach the right people. When running paid campaigns, it's essential to monitor their performance closely. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and overall ROI. Adjust your strategies based on the data to optimize your campaigns for better results. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. By using a combination of SEO strategies and paid advertising, you can attract more visitors to your site and increase your chances of earning commissions. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is just the beginning. To ensure long-term success, you need to regularly analyze and optimize your efforts. This helps you understand what's working and where you can improve. To see how well your affiliate marketing is doing, you need to track your performance. There are several tools available to help you monitor your progress. Google Analytics is a must-have. It shows you how many people visit your site, where they come from, and what they do while they're there. You can also track specific goals like clicks on your affiliate links to see which content is driving sales. Affiliate programs usually provide their own dashboards where you can see how many clicks and sales your links are generating. Pay attention to key performance indicators or KPIs such as click-through rates or CTR conversion rates and average order value. These metrics give you a clear picture of how well your affiliate links are performing. Once you have the data, it's time to optimize your efforts. Start with A/B testing, where you compare two versions of a web page or piece of content to see which performs better. You can test different headlines, images, call to action buttons, and even the placement of your affiliate links. Use the insights from your analytics to make data-driven decisions. For example, if you notice that certain types of content generate more clicks, create more of that content. If some links are not performing well, try changing their placement or using different wording. Regularly updating your content is also important. Keep your information fresh and relevant to maintain your audience's interest and improve your search engine rankings. Analyzing and optimizing your efforts helps you continuously improve your affiliate marketing strategy. By tracking your performance and making data-driven adjustments, you can boost your traffic and conversions, leading to higher commissions. As a beginner, you might face some hurdles along the way. Here are some common challenges and tips on how to overcome them. One of the biggest challenges is getting traffic to your site. Without visitors, you can't make sales. It can be frustrating to put in a lot of effort and see little to no results initially. Another common issue is choosing the right products to promote. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones will resonate with your audience and generate sales. Also, understanding and implementing SEO can be tricky for newbies. To overcome these challenges, start by focusing on building a strong foundation. Ensure your website is user-friendly with high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Regularly update your blog with fresh content that targets relevant keywords. Patience is key. SEO takes time to show results, so stay consistent with your efforts. Choosing the right products comes down to knowing your audience. Conduct surveys or engage with your readers on social media to understand their needs and preferences. Promote products that solve their problems or enhance their lives. Test different products to see which ones perform best and focus on promoting those. To improve your SEO skills, take advantage of free resources and courses available online. Check the link in the description for a list of some free helpful resources for beginners. Tools like Google Analytics and Yoast SEO can help you optimize your content and track your progress. Join affiliate marketing forums and communities to learn from others and stay updated with industry trends. Facing challenges is part of the journey in affiliate marketing, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can overcome them. By focusing on quality content, understanding your audience, and continuously improving your SEO skills, you'll see results. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online, especially if you're just starting out. By following the steps we've outlined, you can earn your first commission in no time. It all starts with understanding the basics and choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that pays well. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, you can achieve your goals. We hope this guide has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to start your affiliate marketing journey. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Be sure to like and subscribe for more free videos about making money online. Take care.